This is the Ansa Deluxe Bedside Commode. Its padded, armchair-style design blends naturally into a bedroom while providing a practical toileting option close to the bed. It may be suitable for people with reduced mobility, fatigue, or anyone who finds walking to the bathroom difficult, particularly at night. The commode features a padded seat, supportive backrest, cushioned armrests, height-adjustable legs, and non-slip rubber tips for comfort and stability. Place the commode on a firm, level, dry surface. Adjust it to a suitable height, and make sure every adjustment pin is fully secured before use. One question we often receive is how to move the padded seat correctly. Lift the front of the padded seat slightly on an angle, then gently guide it backwards. Do not push it straight back or force it. Underneath the seat is a removable commode bowl with a lid. Before use, remove the lid and check that the clean bowl is positioned securely beneath the opening. After use, replace the lid, remove the bowl carefully, and empty it into the toilet. Clean the bowl with mild detergent and a compatible disinfectant. Wipe the padded seat, backrest, armrests, and frame, then dry everything thoroughly before reassembling the commode. To return the chair to its normal sitting position, hold the small black pull tab underneath the front edge. Lift the padded seat slightly on an angle, then gently pull it forward until it sits flat and secure. Always check that the padded seat is sitting correctly, and keep your fingers clear of the moving parts. To request a quote, book a free in-home trial, or arrange equipment hire, visit unicare.au or speak with our friendly team today.